How to sum time in Excel. And we're not stopping there. As a bonus, I'll share a crucial tip on summing time when the total surpasses 24 hours. Now let's dive into the calculation itself and sum all the hours in the hours work column. Every formula must begin with the equal sign. Type it in the cell where you want the result to appear. Next, we proceed by typing sum, S-U-M, to indicate that we're invoking the sum function. Excel will recognize the function, and you can confirm by double-clicking on the suggested option. Now select all the cells containing the time values you wish to sum and press Enter. Here's a crucial note. If the total time doesn't surpass 24 hours, this method works flawlessly. However, in cases like this, where 43 minutes don't quite cut it, we've got the solution. It's actually very easy. To accurately calculate time that exceeds 24 hours, we need to adjust the formatting. Right-click on the cell and choose Format Cells. In the Number tab, opt for Custom. Scroll through the Type section options and select the format with H enclosed in square brackets. You can remove S or seconds from the format bar, leaving you with hours and minutes only. With this adjustment, you can calculate the sum accurately, even if it extends beyond 24 hours. Click OK and you're all set. The calculated sum is now correct, and the only change required was in the formatting.